Fragrant flowers bloom everywhere, like laughter echoing endlessly here. White clouds drift in the high sky, gentle breeze through the trees. Morning dewdrops fall like smiles in the early dawn. The small stream joyfully flows under the green canopy. Birds sing, steps on the soft grass, like walking in a peaceful dream. Drift in the high sky, gentle breeze through the trees. Morning dewdrops fall like smiles in the early dawn. Hills and mountains, hand in hand, looking far. The vast world is long, forever in our hearts. White clouds drift in the high sky, gentle breeze through the trees. Morning dewdrops fall like smiles in the early dawn. Sunlight gently glimmers, fragrant flowers bloom everywhere, like laughter echoing endlessly here. On the green hills far away, sunlight gently glimmers, fragrant flowers bloom everywhere, like laughter